guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishita. If this is for the very first time you saw my face, then hello. In this video I am gonna show you all the Meesho finds which I've bought. These are all miscellaneous and random stuff which I bought from Meesho. There is like aesthetic items for home decor as well, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because why not? These are priced below 300 rupees and they are working well for me, so I really wanted to share it. I'm truly excited for this video. Without any further blabbering, let's just start the video. So guys, for my very first item, I got these LED candles. Firstly, I was very dicey to purchase this because I was very sure that the aesthetic things which looks like this on Meesho generally doesn't work in real life. That was something which I thought in my mind, but once I bought it, I will just show it to you guys. These are like 3 pairs of these candles. पूरा ऐसे प्लास्टिक वाला थोड़ा सा आवाज आएगा, you need to bear with that. It has this warm light and this is so pretty, like very beautiful. I can keep it anywhere where I want to add aesthetic. You can add up in your like shower routine as well because कोई भी पंगा नहीं होगा. You need not to have matchstick and light this up. This is like a battery focused thing और बैटरी भी इसके साथ ही आई थी. So this is the product which I got, and in the photo it showed कि 3 अलग-अलग size I will get, but in reality I just got one size. If you will see, these 3 sizes are almost similar, not almost, these are actually similar. So this is the thing which I got. This is so pretty, like very aesthetic, very pretty. I really love this item and I'm gonna definitely use it for my shower routine and whenever you want to romanticize stuff for yourself, maybe dinner night for yourself or something like that, you can definitely use these candles. And I also wanted to tell you that this one candle has a very light flame to it. These two, if you will see, has a very sharp, warm light coming from the flame, but this, it has a little lighter compared to both of the other lights. But the price, let me just check the price. Yes, the price of this 3 things was 176 rupees. Now for 176 rupees, I think it is completely justified, whatever quality they are giving. And the material is, can you see? थोड़ा सा तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ प्लास्टिक हो रहा है, बट डोंट वरी, दिस विल रिमेन इंटैक्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड तुम इसको कैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. लाइक बहुत भारी नहीं है, बहुत लाइट वेटेड है एंड कुछ भी गरम वरम भी नहीं होगा. लाइक दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर 176 rupees. दिस इज completely justifiable. The quality is okayish, I will say, but the aesthetic is on point. This is so pretty. What else you need in 176 rupees? So guys, for my second item, I got this utility thing right in front of me. This is like a toothbrush stand which I wanted to stick in my bathroom because there is no toothbrush holder or anything like that. This is the penguin toothbrush holder which I got for myself. This costed me 166 rupees. And just a second, इसमें I have 2 things. Like this is like a pair. One is black penguin and one is blue penguin. Like how cute it is. This is so pretty and this is how it looks. And if you will see the back side also, this is completely firm. It has a nice quality. The quality is plastic, but I will say then also it is very sturdy. This is how it looks. This is colorful, this is cute, this is handy. I think I'm definitely gonna use this for keeping my, one side I will use it for keeping my comb and lotions and everything. It can be used for that purpose as well, or you can use it as your bathroom toiletry and keep a lot of brush, toothbrush and whatever you want to keep it here. So this is the second item which I got. The quality is so good. Like it costed me 166 rupees. 166 rupees के हिसाब से तो बहुत ही अच्छा quality है. Item which is very aesthetically pleasing and I was dying. I was literally dying to purchase this. So I got this on Valentine's Day. This cup and saucer thing right here. Like, I have seen this bubble saucer all over Instagram, and I really wanted to have this, so I thought to search this. But when I was searching, the price was really increasing back and forth, so I thought, why not check Meesho? So when I checked on Meesho, I got this, and this is so pretty. Like, it is baby pink color और पीछे से थोड़ा सा खोखला है guys. मीशो पे ऐसे ही मिलेगा, ठीक है. बट खोखला होने के बावजूद गाइज, द मटेरियल एंड एवरीथिंग, दिस इज सो हैवी. This is so heavy, this is so heavy. Like, the quality is very good, that's what I will say. Talking about the shape, primarily the shape which was shown to me was, I will attach somewhere here, but the actual engraved design which I got is this, which is fine. Like, it is like 19-20 ka difference. And the best part about this cup and saucer was the packaging. They gave me such thermocol kind of packaging all over, and thermocol का पूरा square बना के दिया था अंदर, and it was taped all over, so this item was very very secured. So I really like the packaging, I really like the product. This is cute, this is Pinteresty, this is aesthetic. And today I also had my jeera water in this in the morning, which is just like good. It uplifts my mood when you are doing such things in the morning. I love slow mornings, guys. Like, slow mornings, and if you can induce some romantic stuffs in your morning by doing these kind of things, it's just like set your day to the right direction. I got this organizer for myself. This is the organizer. You can secure your toiletries, your makeup, your cosmetics into this. It has a very strong velcro, and this is the spacing which they have given, and I think this costed me around 265 rupees. These are the organizers which you will get. A lot of pockets, like this is one pocket, then there is another set of thing happening, and they have given यहाँ पे elastic as well to secure anything which I want. Maybe some lotion or maybe serum or something. Like, this is the thing which they have given. And then I have space here. This is really has space, guys. If you can see, a lot of space here, and you can easily see whatever items you have kept inside. And this has this chotu sa hanger to hang it. The chain has good quality. I was not expecting this good quality, but the chain quality is good. Everything is good about this product right here. 265 rupees, a little expensive if we talk about Meesho, but the quality is amazing. So I will give 10 on 10 points for the quality. See, here also they have given a lot of space, and it has like this thing. You can keep it like this, or you can hang it in front of your makeup mirror where you want to do all your makeup and secure your makeup items as well. Makeup, skincare, washroom toiletries, everything can be secured here. And basically I ordered it for, like, whenever I go for travel, I really need to like जुगाड़ करके रखो सारे अपने कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड मेकअप थिंग्स. सो आई वांटेड वन थिंग जिसमें सारी चीज़ें आ जाए, एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट थिंग. So guys, for my next item, I got this white fur fabric which is of 1 meter, and it costed me 265 rupees. This is really a thin material, but it's so soft. The fabric is softest. The fur is amazing, not cheaper quality happening at all. If you will see, I really wanted something to use for my aesthetic shots of products or something. Maybe I can create this as background for my pictures as well. So this fabric is good for everything. If you want fabrics, I think you should purchase from Meesho because they have given a nice quality. I will not say that this has a very very thick material happening right here. This is a thin material, but it does its job because the quality is softest and the fur is amazing. If you will see this, This is so pretty. I really like this thing, and I'm gonna use it in most of my videos. So this is definitely, like, the quality wise it is good. Just I was expecting the color to be a little more in warm tone instead of cool tone, but apart from that it will do the job of adding a lot of aesthetic things to your videos or to your picture. This is definitely a good purchase, I would like to say. Whatever I'm gonna show you, I am using this thing from a long period of time, like 2-3 months I'm using this. So I will show you. This is the vanity box. Vanity box, Meesho calls it, guys. I will call it as storage box, cosmetic storage box, or skincare storage box, whatever you would like to call. This is completely made of plastic, so don't expect a lot of things happening out of it, but this will do the job of storing a lot of things. As you can see all over, this has 2 drawers. Now in the photo you will see that this is not slanting, but if you will see in actual, this is slightly slanting. And then they have like 6 boxes right here for storage. Like 3 are very small boxes happening, these 3 are very small things happening. Then there is wide 2 boxes happening where you can keep a lot of, like, serum, moisturizer, body lotions, your mist, your perfumes, whatever you want to keep it, you can keep here. And on the top front I have kept all of my jewelry which I use for the videos, which are my go-to jewelry, like everyday essential jewelry. That is something which I have kept on the top front. And I would say, like, I would like to give this a complete, like, 4.5 on 5. Only half marks I am deducting for this baby. This is not exactly fitting inside, and it is partially slanting. सही से fit नहीं हो रहा है. It will get utilized in a lot of stuff, so I have purchased this, and this is completely worth the buy. That's what I will say for this product. The quality is good, the price point is good, space is good, storage is good, everything is good about this product except that second drawer of mine. But I could have placed an exchange, but any which ways I kept a lot of stuff there. आया तो वैसे ही सजा लिया था, so I was like कि ठीक है, अब जैसा है वैसा अच्छा है. So now I will show you the cutest thing and my favorite. Like, you guys know I love stationery items, and जब से मुझे मीशो मिला है, मैं कुछ स्टेशनरी का खरीदती रहती हूँ. If you will check my previous video out, मीशो वाली, then also you will find that I have purchased a lot of, like, design वाले markers and highlighters for my fictional reading apparently. So that is the reason I got another stationery item with me. This is the cutest diary of all times. This is a cutie teddy bear right here. Forget the cuteness, guys. I would like to talk about the quality. The pages are thick AF. If you will see, the pages are thick AF. This is completely lined. I like my diaries to be lined क्योंकि मैं पूरा ऐसे horizontal में एक line में नहीं लिख पाती हूँ. I am that kind of person. So it is like this. The quality is bang on. यहाँ पे मेरी B12 deficiency का दवाई का नाम लिखा हुआ है. So this is this, and yeah, the cutest part, you will get a cutie bookmark with this, and this has hard cover. मतलब इतने में आपको हार्ड कवर भी मिल रहा है, इतने में आपको क्यूटनेस भी मिल रही है, इतने में आपको लाइंड पेजेस भी मिल रहे हैं, एंड देयर इज दिस bookmark happening. The ribbon, the traditional bookmarks which are attached to the diaries, that is also happening. So this one will definitely get 5 on 5 from my end, because I am using it right now for my gratitude, for my to-do list. You can use it for any purpose. This is such a must buy. I checked like Crossword, I checked Miniso, I checked Momoso, everywhere. This is not the price point, and this is not the quality which you will get. The prices were way higher than this baby right here. I will write somewhere the price because I have purchased a lot of stuff together. This baby is 174 rupees and I think it is completely worth it. This will definitely get 100 on 10 from my end because A, I love stationery, and B, I am using it on a regular basis, so it is actually helping me in my day-to-day life. So I have another stuff right in front of me. As you guys are aware that whatever I like to get it in multiple colors. ये मेरी पुरानी आदत है. So the second item which I wanted to show you, this is the second item which I wanted to show you. The cup which I got in baby pink color, I also got in like this blue color of mine. See, this is so cute. The bubble saucer, the flower saucer, whatever you would like to call, this is very cute. And guys, if you will see, there is a difference. Like, I really liked blue one instead of this baby pink one, and in this blue one there is this mark right here, chotu sa, which I actually don't mind, but the shape of blue one is much better than pink one. Pink में आप देखो जो मैं बता रही थी ना, designs engraved है, and this was actually not shown in the picture, but this one is exactly how it was shown in the picture. The quality is so good, it is actually heavy. ठीक है, the saucer is very heavy and the cup is also like बहुत अच्छे से heavy है. It is something which you can use it on your daily basis, and the quality is good, the price point is good, the material, everything, whatever is happening, this is like a good baby right here. I really liked it. This two baby costed 283 rupees right here. Pink वाला 283 rupees का है, but the design is not what they showed in the display, and the blue one costed 289 rupees, almost similar, 300 रुपए का है. I will not say extremely like cheaper end, but still these kind of aesthetic cup and saucer, if you will find on Instagram pages, guys, like they are very much expensive. So if you want to buy something which is aesthetic and these type of bubble cup and saucer happening, you can definitely check Meesho out, but you need to see what quality is coming because they might give you some other quality. Now I think that I will exchange this after seeing the blue one, क्योंकि blue one बहुत aesthetic और बहुत classy लग रहा है in comparison to pink one. So I guess I will change my pink one and buy this design only. So guys, this was my purchase from Meesho. I really like these items. There are products which I'm using on a regular basis, which is this diary and which is like my makeup storage box. I'm using it on a regular basis and from a long period of time, so I'm really liking it. And this quality was also amazing. The utility pouch which I showed you, this pouch is amazing. This has no complaints, like the quality, the size, the space, everything is top notch. And the candles, you must have seen, the candles are also something which I have used a lot. So it's just the cup part. Cup सिर्फ मैंने आज सुबह यूज़ किया था, पिंक वाला, and this baby right here जो कि मैंने अभी निकाला है and I really want to use. So I will let you know about however it turns out to be. Don't forget to check out the description. I will add all the links below. And that is it for my video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to love yourself more and more.